This process is called chopping. This is slicing. This is dicing. This is mincing. This is peeling. This is grating. This is shredding. This is stirring. This is mixing. This is whisking. This is beating. This is blending. This is kneading. This is rolling. This is mashing. This is sifting. This is boiling. This is baking. This is deep frying. This is shallow frying. This is roasting. This is grilling. This is steaming. This is sauteing. This is poaching. This is garnishing. This is sprinkling. This is serving. This is scrubbing. This is washing. This is wiping. Subscribe for free English speaking course. Like, share my videos.